The sixth critical marketing mistake that most chiropractors make is causing confusion. So one day, I received a phone call from an unknown number. I do what I always do, which is I ignored the call. Now, for those of you who have never heard my voicemail before, it sounds something like this. Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan here. And unless you're my wife or my children, I am not going to answer the phone. And I will not listen to your voicemail. If you have a question that you'd like to ask me, please send me a text message. And if your question is important, I'll respond. If it's not, have a great day. A few minutes later, I received a text message from Dr. Alex. And he said, dude, I loved your voicemail. So then we jumped on a Zoom call. And after the normal pleasantries, right? I said, hey, let's take a look at your site. What's your URL? And he said, DHAM. And I was like hurrying and I'm typing it in my keyboard. And he's like, no, it's B like boy and get rid of the care. And I was so confused. So I said, Alex, slow down. Okay. Tell me one letter at a time. And he said, BHAMHE. And we went through it, right? And then boom, it was working. And I said, Alex, my very first marketing recommendation is you need a simpler URL. Do you see how hard it was for me, somebody who's trying to go to your practice, to figure out how to get there? And the simple truth is that most people are very lazy. And when they encounter friction or resistance in the buying process, they are going to stop. They're going to hit the back button and they're going to go to your nearest competitor. And with so much competition in the marketplace, it is our job to identify and eliminate as much friction as possible.